The oncoming Tesla that turned in. It's the phone. Doesn't matter. Sorry. Salaam Alaikum. You're in no danger from me, but the phone use. You can't use it while stationary.
I put it down.
No problem. I'm sure you. I wish you a lovely day. Look it up in the highway code when you get home. After you. FL07VXF. No, I'm not following her. This is my route for this particular trip. A silver Honda.